Okay, hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to refilm this when I get back to London. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my November passive income report. I'm in somewhere a little bit different right now. I'm in Lanzarote. It was a mission to get here and I ended up spending so much more money than I ever expected on this trip just to get here because of so many things that I could never have planned for. And you know what, sometimes finance is about just the unexpected. So thank God I have an emergency fund, which I didn't really use, but I have tried to use now because I'm like, that's the point of having this, for the emergency. And I had all the emergencies, like all the emergencies. It was so bad. But if you want to know about everything that happened, because a lot did happen for me to get here, if you want to know about that, it'll be on my vlog channel, so you can go there and check that out if you like, at Abby Abroad. But now let's get into my November report. I'm not sure how many more of these I'm gonna do. I do enjoy doing them and I hope you guys enjoy actually watching them, so I'm happy to share them if you find them useful. I'm happy to keep making them if you do just enjoy me going over my passive income and all the different streams that I can think of creating more passive income. It's been really cool to track this and watch how things have changed over the months, so I'm going to get straight into it. Take me on this journey home. I don't want to wait, no. The first thing on my list is trading 212, and now as I do this I realize I was supposed to check, because I'm filming this on my phone, I was supposed to check what share I got. So this was from a share, it was a referral share. One of you guys signed up for trading 212 and I got this share and it was the biggest share I've ever got. It's £47.38. But I don't remember what it was for. Oh, I think it was Unilever. I'm gonna say it was Unilever. I'll double check. If it's not Unilever, then I'll put it like right here what it is, because that was really cool actually. It was a really nice surprise that morning, and that was on the 9th of November. Next, on the 10th of November was Quidco, which is you often see Quidco here because I do use Quidco like quite a lot. I don't see why anyone wouldn't use a cashback site. If you're going to spend the money anyways, you might as well get something back for it. So I use Quidco all the time if I can. If not, I use something else, and I got 16 pence from that. The 17th of November I cashed out £10 from my airtime rewards, so that was money towards my phone bill for November, which was awesome. So I got £10 off my phone bill, which is always a lifesaver when I have enough to cash out. It makes me very happy because I hate my phone bill. Once I'm done with my contract, I'm cutting it. Like, I'm gonna buy, if I need a phone, I will buy my phone outright. I know what phone I want next currently, but I don't think I need a new phone as it stands. But if I do, I'll buy outright and get SIM only. And I'll be moving to SIM only as soon as this contract's done in April, I think. Oh, no, that's a lie. That was later on. That was on the 22nd. Okay, let's scoot back up. Went ahead of myself there. The 17th was a 50p from airtime rewards, and that's because that was a referral. So one of you guys signed up, most likely, for airtime rewards, and I got 50p. You got 50p off your phone bill. Nice. On the 18th of November was Quidco again, and that was only for 8 pence, but hey, every little counts. Not gonna discount that. And then the 22nd of November was the £10 I got off from airtime rewards. And on the 30th of November, actually, I got my second ever dividend. That was for the iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, but that was for 22 pence, which was really cool. I do quite heavily invest in that. I picked like a few ETFs and index funds that I want to put my money into, and that was one of the ETFs I chose just because it's something I believe in and something I think the world is going in that direction, and it's been doing really well, so I'm really happy with that. It's one of my favorites. In November for Medium, I did 19 pence, which was really bad actually. I didn't write on Medium at all in November, so that really shows in the earnings, and poetry doesn't make a lot anyways, so I had other things that were really important, more important to me at the time than doing that. And I was also holding back a bit because of something that was happening in writing, and I wasn't sure what was going to come of it, so I didn't want to post any more work until I knew what would happen with that. I still don't know what's going to happen with that, but I've had a little go around. Like, I decided to create my own publication as an easier way to kind of share my poetry without, I don't know, maybe compromising on the content or overthinking what I should be submitting to each publication. So I do have a specific publication. It's called Words Misplaced, and it's a home. It's a home for all those words. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I thought about it a lot, and I was like, should I make a pub? And in the end, I couldn't see any reason for not making one, so I decided to make one. So exciting times. Yeah, so if you do want to follow my pub, if you want to see more of my work, just feel free to go and follow it. It's Words Misplaced on Medium. That was 25 cents and 19 pence on Medium. But I am going to write now a lot more because I have the pub and I can put my work in there that I maybe don't want to put in another publication. So yeah, so watch this space again. I will be making more videos on Medium actually going forward. I have one coming out pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. Finally, for AdSense in November, I made £199.93, which is awesome. I had another great month from that video that took off in October, was it? I can't remember. I think it was October. And yeah, so that's really cool. It's also kind of like given me like a new kind of outlook on videos and content, and I've been doing a lot of YouTube. Last month was like the month of YouTube masterclasses. Oh my god, there's a rainbow. I'm gonna show you guys my view in a second before I get off, but I've been doing a bunch of YouTube masterclasses with like YouTube, and they've been really helpful, and it's helped me to kind of relearn things that I thought I knew that I don't really know as well now, because everything is changing. So always be learning, man, seriously. So that's been really cool, and it's been really helpful, and I can't wait to bring you guys more content. I'm going to show you guys the rainbow, and then I'm going to peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a look at this rainbow. It's really pretty. Ooh. Okay, firstly on the beach, hello, and then can I show you the rainbow? There's the rainbow. Can you see the point? That is a rainbow back there. I say that like you wouldn't believe me. But yeah, it's so pretty. Oh, it's my last day in Lanzarote, and yeah, I'm kind of sad to leave. Oh my god, the rainbow is huge now. I need to take a photo of this. I didn't do the totals. Let me do the totals. This month I made £258.46, which is amazing. Oh my god, this rainbow is so intense. I'm freaking out. On Trading 212, I did £47.38, also an amazing month. And dividends, I did 22 pence. And now I'm going to take a photo of this rainbow. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Take care. Bye. Space.